Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, it's very dark. It's black actually. It's very. Oh, there's a. That's a fan. It's kind of going back and forth, and string. Oh, it circles. When the train, the fan again is there. It's got these kind of newspaper stringles. There's someone on the beach. Uh, oh, here's a room with a picture of some green. Oh, the lights there, and there's a room. Oh, skeleton praying, and there's the fan. There's a boy. Umbrella is actually projecting some kind of things on the what's it called nature. There's figures in the background. Oh, Charlie Brown, the skeleton and maps. There's the fan again. The fan is kind of oh no the fan went on. The fan went on. Stop. Okay. Sheffield stroke and then he ran. Hey, it's dark. It's black.